Alright, so how to check your transmission fluid doesn't only apply to the Ford Taurus, it actually applies to a lot of cars. Only if it's automatic. If it's manual, there's really a whole different procedure on how to do it. So this is how to check the automatic transmission fluid on your Ford Taurus or any automatic transmission car. Before you start the car, what you want to do is you want to find where the dipstick is. On this car, the dipstick, by the way, is like this. Sometimes it's labeled transmission fluid or transaxle fluid, depends on the car you got. So once you locate where your dipstick is for your transmission fluid, which for the Taurus with the 3.0 automatic is right here, just stick the dipsticks back in and start up your car. So, once you start up your car, what you're going to want to do, you're going to take your dipstick out, forget about what's on it, wipe it off, place it back in, take it out, and measure. This is pretty good. It's a little low. You can use just a drop. But that's how you check your transmission fluid.